Hey guys, Dean Sonia Williams is in the kitchen today. Welcome to my channel. Snow is falling outside heavily, guys, and I feel like eating some Grace Jack mackerel. I mean, you know the one in the can, right? Yeah. So let's go to the kitchen and create this dish. My pot is already heated, and now I'm going to put about a tablespoon of cooking oil in my pot. Just like this. Now I'm going to put my chopped onion and some scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, my voice is a little hoarse. Gonna allow that to fry up. I also have some bell peppers. My flame is on medium. So that is frying up really nicely. Also have some escallion here. Gonna add that to it. Guys, this meal is very budget friendly, guys. Budget friendly. This is for your college students, a person who is on a budget, don't want to spend a lot of money, want to cut down on time. This is for you. So in other words, this is a 1, 2, 3 meal. Few pieces of chopped garlic. And that's it for my ingredients, guys. For now. So while this is frying up, I'm going to go ahead and open my jack mackerels. So this is my jack mackerel, guys. I'm using the Grace brand. It's in tomato sauce. So there's no need for tomato. It's already in tomato sauce. So I'm using 2 cans. So what you want to do to open, you just has a little key up top here on the top of the can. Right there. So all you gotta do is hold the key and pull it back. So you hold the key like this and you pull it back. And now it's all open, and this is what it's looking like in the can. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the other one. Wow, you should smell the aroma in this kitchen, guys. Smelling so nice. So my onions and scallions are caramelizing a little, and that's what I'm looking for. Now I'm getting ready to put my jack mackerel in. Guys, take a look at this rich gravy in this mackerel. Alright. Alright, so let's fry the mackerel in the pot. See? It's a lot of juice in it. So I'm going to use my fork to just break up the mackerel a little. There's a big and chunky inside of the can. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Nice and chunky. So now, I'm getting ready to put my other one inside of here. So there you go, a lot of juice. So if you have a big family, guys, you can use more than 2 cans. Or if it's just you by yourself, 1 can is good for you. So this is what it's looking like so far. Nice and rich gravy. And now I'm gonna put some black pepper. So this is my black pepper, guys. So anything fish, guys, you want to put some pepper in it, man. Gotta taste the pepper. So look how rich and nice this is looking, guys. You can eat this with whatever you want. You can eat it with rice, bread, ground provisions, anything you want. If you had a big family and you want to stretch it out some more, you can add vegetables to it. You can add spinach, you can add callaloo, cabbage. You can add some more juice, water, if you want to stretch it out. Or you could just go ahead and just do it just like I'm doing right here. Guys, this is the canned mackerel. It's already cooked, so there's no need to do any more cooking. What we're doing right now is just heating and, you know, combining with our own little spin. That's pretty much it. So this is all done, and we are getting ready to plate. This is your stir-fried jack mackerel. Nice and rich gravy. You can eat this with whatever you want. So it is all done. See how nice and rich this is? Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit more black pepper. Not tasting enough heat, so just a little sprinkle. So in all, it's about like a teaspoon and a half of black pepper.